Hi crafters! The take and make for March, April, and May is a Pom Pom Chick. The chick is nearly identical to the Pom Pom snowman except it's yellow. In the kit you'll find a Pom Pom maker template, 4 skeins of yellow yarn, an orange pipe cleaner, and 2 small black beads. You need to add glue, scissors, and tape. First you need to make the pom-poms. There are 2 sizes, a small one for the head and a larger one for the body. Cut out the pom-pom maker. I simply use the cardstock as the maker, but you can trace them onto cardboard for something more sturdy if you prefer. Each pom-pom maker has 4 parts. Hold 2 of the parts back to back and wrap the arch with the yarn. Avoid wrapping the square parts because they become used as feet in the next step. Continue wrapping until the arch is pretty much full. You do not have to wrap tight. Repeat with the other 2 parts of the pom-pom maker. Fold back the feet of the pom-pom makers. Hold the 2 halves together to make a circle and tape the outside edges of the feet together. You need to leave the center area open. Slip the scissors between the 2 sides of the pom-pom maker and cut the yarn. Cut very carefully as it can be difficult to get through all of the yarn. Once you have cut all the way around the circle, cut off a length of yarn. I'm going to wrap it around between the 2 sides and tie it off very tightly. I like to wrap it one way and do a single knot very tightly, and then wrap it again the other way before tying 2 knots. Remove the pom-pom maker While holding the long ends, trim the pom-pom into a sphere. It does not have to be perfect, and you will be going back to reshape it at a later step. Repeat the process with the other size pom-pom. Use the long pieces of yarn and tie the two pom-poms tightly together. Cut the long pieces of yarn and trim the pom-poms to make a chick shape. I like to cut the head fairly evenly, but leave the body a little shaggy, as chicks are pretty fluffy. Unlike a snowman, the chick's head is not directly on top of the body. You want it sticking out a little bit in the front. Cut a small piece of the orange pipe cleaner and then cut the other length in half. bend the short length into a beak. Twist the ends to make it easier to attach to the head. Use the glue and stick the beak into the head. Now bend the other two pieces of pipe cleaner into little feet. I make 3 toes. And again, you want to twist the ends to make it easier to attach to the body. Use the glue and glue them into the body. Finally, glue the beads on for eyes. Chicks' eyes tend to be more to the side of their face than on the front. And now you have a cute little spring chick. Thanks for watching.